Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I wanted to show you guys, in my opinion, what I feel like is the perfect, the best, the most convenient, in some cases, texture or wig to wear on vacation. It's the summertime, and I feel like people go on vacations a lot this time of the year. I'm not gonna say the most, but I feel like they go on vacations a lot. So this is just my current fave wig, my current favorite texture. You know, it's just the most convenient in my opinion, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Of course, it's from rpghair.com. This is the Indian deep wave hair. Nothing new. It's not like you haven't seen it before. You've seen this a lot here on my channel now. I recently featured some bundles as well where I did a ponytail. It was the Indian deep wave. It's the same texture. I used the bundles, I made a wig, and I have a wig that was already made by RPG. Now both hairs are from RPG, so it's basically the same thing. It's only that they sent me one with bundles and the frontal, and the next one was already made, and they're both, the one that was sent with the frontal, it was a 360 as well. So I wanted to come and just show you guys again. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my head. I've had this for a couple months now. It's been really good to me. I'm loving it. I feel like it's one of, like, I feel like a lot of people really love this one as well. Like, trust me, a lot of people been getting it. I recently did a video where I showed you guys how to layer wigs like a pro. I'll link it. It will be the first link in my description box. Please go ahead and check it out. I feel like, yeah, I love when my lace come off very melted, very natural looking, and that's the aim for every one of my wigs that I apply, and I always strive to be better each and every time I apply a wig. So that's basically what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I want to go ahead and try to see if I can fix, not perfect, because I'm never really that good at partings, like in terms of getting it like really straight, like, but I absolutely just love this texture so much. I just want to make the parting, as you can see, I sprayed some got-to-be freezing spray on the top so any flyaways could lay, and just, you know, the whole parting here could lay. Now the parting is not the best, but it's better than how it was looking. It was really lean. So I'm gonna go in with some of my face powder on the parting to just make it a little bit more precise. It looks so good. The front part here will be blended in a bit because I'm gonna slay my face and stuff like that. But let me go ahead and apply some mousse to this. I'm gonna get it damp and then put some conditioner, water and stuff like that in there. So I'm gonna be back. Did my makeup as you can see, and I came back and I'm really just loving the hair. It is just gorgeous. It's so pretty. As I said, in my opinion, I've worn this wig so many times before, and it still is my current fave wig at the moment. So it's just like, it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty, and it looks very natural. So you know, that's a plus for me. This wig, in terms of shedding, it does shed, but it's not like excessive. So if you do have questions in terms of like, oh, so does it shed a lot? It does shed, but it's not excessive. If like every hair sheds, every single hair shed. I'm yet to receive a bundle or bundles or a wig that doesn't shed at all. Not even my own hair shade. So it's totally natural. It's just on what level is the hair shedding, you know. So the shedding is average. It still has the beautiful luster once I wet it. Like right now it's a bit damp. As I said, you saw what I applied: mousse, some conditioner, water, and I was good to go. I applied some got to be spray on the top, so you know it's really laid, and you saw the process. You know, it's really nice. It's soft. It's still soft, because sometimes, you know, you get the wig out of the package, it's natural for it to be extremely soft at that initial moment, but sometime after wearing it, then it loses those qualities. But it's still very soft, and the luster is very pretty. Everything is still popping. It's still, you know, up to par. So definitely would recommend this here for vacation. Not only for vacation, I'm just saying, you know, I see that a lot of like doing vacations, or you know, traveling here and going there. It's a thing now. It's always been a thing, but it's just like trending right now. And so I feel like this is the most, like one of the most convenient hair textures, wigs, you know, to rock. Yeah, I'm going to put all the specifications on this wig. Also, if you're interested in just getting the bundles, I'm going to put the link to that. If you want to just get the frontal, I'm going to put the link to that. And if you want to get the whole wig already made, like the wig itself, I'm going to put the link to that. So go ahead and check it out. Everything is up on my personalized RPG hair page right now on their website, so you can go ahead, shop directly from my page, and don't forget to use my discount code SUE15 and Petite10 to get dollars off. I really appreciate all the support. Like, it's amazing. Thank you so much. But yeah, that's it for this video today. I hope I didn't keep you too long. I tried my best not to. Yeah, so that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.